After me, Mr. Ganguly is there.
Mr. Ganguly will argue. Mr. Bagaria.
No, I take 15 minutes. Not there's a referral order.
We just
We'll all
want to put
finish
you.
tomorrow, Malaj.
Everyone has to finish by lunch. Dr. Singhvi will give you 10:30
3
to.
o'clock. Make it. Mr. Dwivedi will get the full of Thursday and some part of tomorrow also.
Dr. Singhvi, what we'll do is this. We'll give you 10:30 to 11:15. We'll give Mr. Ganguly 11:15 to 11:45. Mr. Bagaria 11:45 to
Can I
12:15.
say one?
Mr. Khambata 12:15 to 1:45 and 15 minutes for you.
Well,
That's
only
it.
one thing. Your
Malords, I want
Everybody else
5
you have
minutes.
not written.
Your Lordship has seen the nature.
Malords, I want
Allow
to,
me at least 1 hour, Malaj. It won't be
Mr.
fair
Tata,
otherwise
you
on the submissions.
Malords, I was wanting 10 minutes, Malords.
In Dalmia, when the order by a 3-judge bench, where they referred 6 questions and directed it to be tagged along with this. Now, my lord, my submission is I'm going to request your lordship. Those out of the 6, only 1 relates to nature of royalty. The remaining 5 can be kept separately. Subsoil right, who owns the minerals, etc. That's so I have made a PowerPoint presentation, and I'll just take 8 to 10 minutes. About 6 slides I have to show your lordship. Your lordship.
So you want that to be detagged then?
I have to make
except
submission
on royalty.
on the royalty issue.
On
Remaining,
royalty.
I'm not submitting. I made, and to save time, I made.
I think that should be detagged, Malords. That should be detagged.
No.
I have a similar request.
The subsoil
But
can be
for
detagged.
ONGC and other,
ONGC also go detag, yeah.
ONGC
So
oil,
you can
etc.
tell us which are the matters to be detagged. I think on this there should
We
be
may
no
say tomorrow.
dispute. Mr. Dwivedi, Mr. Datar and the Learned Solicitor General, please give the courtmaster by tomorrow morning the list of matters which are to be detagged.
Yes.
Mr. Datar, we will detag your matter as well. On royalty, since we have heard arguments on what is the nature of royalty,
I'd
we
only
can take a
submit
small
on entry
note.
50. I've just submitted on entry 50 as to what is this, but I've made this submission, Lord. I've said that the levy, entry 50 talks of tax on mineral rights. Tax has 3 components: levy, assessment, collection. Levy is taken away by 99A 90, so I've made a chart. Only levy is taken.
Give us the chart.
Lordship may just.
But
Lordship.
we have given you
Your
the
Lordship
bottom,
has-
1 second, we have given you the bottom line. All learned counsel have to put their heads together so that you finish by lunch tomorrow. Absolutely no question of going ad nauseum. We will never finish otherwise. This will go on to next week and we have another matter next week.
May I just say one thing?
The other submission we have made in the context of mining lease. Lord, mining lease is normally for a particular area, 20 square kilometers, 40 square kilometers. So we have drawn a map. Tamil Nadu's goal is entry 49.
All right, we'll delink your matter, Mr. Datta.
No. Mine only on royalty.
Yes, it should be
Mine only
delinked.
royalty. Mining lease is only entry.
Malords,
The mining
Given
lease.
the
Royalty
nature-
will hear you in 5, we'll give you 5 minutes to hear your arguments on royalty. We have heard.
This is going to be at some moment. We will not be able to do justice. Allow
Malords,
me
I
till
just wanted-
11:45, I'll cut 1 hour from my argument. Allow me till 11:45, Mr.
We
Datta,
have,
Mr.
Dr.
Dwivedi
Singh,
will
we
get the
have
whole.
no difficulty.
He'll
We
get
have
the
no
whole Thursday.
difficulty. Anybody who feels that, everybody has to decide now that, well,
I'm only
who's going to take how
11:45
much
to
time?
11:15, I'll finish by 11:45.
But no difficulty. So
Malords, I was.
Yeah,
I'll attempt to complete in half an hour.
Till 4 o'clock.
This side will know. Sorry, we'll not do
Otherwise,
that.
it won't fit.
Malords, I was wanting 5 minutes.
Whoever
Malords.
remains written submissions, Mr. Dwivedi, you start at 2 o'clock and you conclude at 4 o'clock.
No,
Malords, maybe we have 5 minutes, Malords.
I will take.
Give us Thursday, Malaj. Give us Thursday, Malaj. We will not
No.
go beyond Thursday, Malaj. We'll hold
Your
back.
Lordship gave me
Everybody has-
My lord, in
Your Lordship gave me 1 day, Malords.
The matter will be, I'll tell Lordship, the consequences
My lord.
are huge, Lordship. Lordship will not, because Lord, it's going to affect all mineral
But
rights.
adding zeros doesn't
Major
change the legal principle.
Well,
The
we have a
principle is
Thursday
always the
night,
same.
Malaj. Give us that.
Lord, the point is-
Irrespective of the number of zeros or decimal places added
Lord,
to
my
it.
lord, please, my lord,
I think your Lordship-
don't Thursday, my lord, kindly give, I have given 50, kindly give 5 minutes, my lord, I have counted
Kindly take it to
32.
Thursday, we'll
It
finish.
was- My name is there at serial number.
Malords, I was wanting
If you want,
5
मैं आपको हिंदी में
minutes.
समझा सकता हूँ. आप सब शाम को बैठ लीजिए, तय कर लीजिए. 2 घंटे में, 2.5 घंटे में, सुबह आपको सबको तय करना है आता है. इस बहस इस तरफ. 2 o'clock, we are putting Mr. Dwivedi in. This will never get over otherwise. Thank you.
Grateful.
Grateful.
Manoj.